In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coilover. A coilover has two parts, a spring and a bump stop. Let's start by creating a linear spring. A linear spring is represented by a constant stiffness. You'll also want to define the uncompressed free length and the compressed length. You can also define nonlinear springs. Again, enter the free length and the compressed length. But instead of entering the stiffness, you'll enter the force displacement information of your spring. Creating a bump stop is exactly the same as creating a spring in both the linear and nonlinear cases. Once you've created a bump stop and a spring, you are now ready to create a coilover. First, select what type of coilover you want to create, either a compression type or a tension type. A compression type coilover will generate force when compressed. A tension type coilover will generate force when extended. Next, enter the coilover dimensions, and then select the bump stop and spring you want to use with this coilover. You can modify the bump stop gap and the spring gap, and the bump stop preload and the spring preload. The resultant force displacement profile is shown in the chart to the right. To help you visualize the element dimensions, you can switch to the 3D view. Note that the bump stop is also an optional component. At any time, you can delete the bump stop.